Namaste and welcome to all the participants in the session Teacher Professional Development TPD training. My training title is Designing and Implementing Projects in Teaching and Learning Mathematics. So regarding this, we'll discuss how to design the projects and some activities while teaching secondary mathematics in mathematics classroom. So here I have some activities as well as some warm-up activities that will be proceeded before the session. But we can implement like these activities as well as the all the studies can be carried out in our mathematical classroom to our learners, our students for understanding and the conceptual knowledge. Okay, without delay, I would like to proceed for the activities and warm-up activities. Okay, now here I just designed the activity number 1 from the geometry of grade 9. Equal chords are equidistant from the center. So this is the activity title for this session now. But before starting this, I kept one warm-up activity for you. I think all of you are prepared for this. I already displayed this. I am a number when I stand. No one can define when I sleep on the bed. Who am I? This riddle is kept like this. So I think everybody you guessed already for the number. So I'm going to show the result now. So okay. So answer is I'm 8. So when it sleeps on the bed, it seems like infinitive or undefined. So exactly no one can define this while sleeping. While standing, it seems as a digit or number 8. Okay, so I think we have to go for the next. Now, equal chords are equidistant from the center that for the activity. Now, for this, our main objectives for this activities are kept here. Construct a circle with a chord and its central perpendicular. It shows that equal chords remain equal in length under rotation. In this way, verify experimentally that equal chords sit equidistant from the center. Now, before proceeding this activity, we need some materials for doing our activity. Now, for this, we need A4 size paper, transparent sheet, compass, ruler, marker, pens, and push pen for uh, conducting or the proceeding our activity. So now let's move toward the main procedures of this activity. Okay, now the steps are given here, altogether 5 steps. So I have shown here some pictures for the reference. So at first, draw the base model, like draw a circle with the center O and chord AB and its perpendicular OM and meeting, that is AB at M as a midpoint. So we can construct in the A4 size hard paper, and after that, so trace on acetate or the transparent paper, like overlay a transparent sheet of paper in this drawn sheet of paper and trace all the same circle, center and chord and the perpendicular, that is like here. Then we have to fix the pin at the center, like both the sheets at the center O, and rotate the this sheet of transparent sheet of paper, and will form the new that AB. So that means we have to keep A dash and B dash for that. as like as in image. And then the number 4, the measure the rotated curve like this. AB, AB and A dash B dash can be measured. Then now compare the and conclude. That means we can compare that while comparing this measurement, both the chords are equal already because we drew by overlapping this sheet, transparent sheet over the drawn chord or the circle, so that these are equal self. And then we have to measure the angles to, or the what the distance of the what OM and ON also, like this here. So by measuring we have to fill, and we have to get, or to find the result in the our worksheet. So I design without delay. I would like to show that worksheet already. These are distributed to your group or individually. Okay, now I have designed this worksheet for recording all the evidences after the observations and the measurement from the design or prepare that sheets. So chords can be recorded, the length of chords in this column here. So AB and the A dash, B dash can be measured. In this way, the distance from the center, that is OM and ON, can be measured and can be recorded over here. In this way, result, obviously the distance from the centers, both OM and ON are equal or equidistant from the center. So all the findings can be recorded over here. Then almost all your group can present in front of the other groups as a finding. And the last here, after the activities, we concluded that our takeaway. So rotating one transparent model in place is enough to prove a theorem that usually stays purely abstract. So by these activities, by conducting this type of project in the classroom, obviously the students or the learners feel very excited and to do this type of activities, due to which only the mathematical knowledge, other skills can be enhanced together in the classroom.